Paper 1 UGC NET 2022. You can also prepare for SET, SLET as well as the assistant professor selection. So all the necessary materials are in this video. This is about Unit 8 Information and Communication Technology. Here, what is information and communication technology? The integration of information and communication technologies into every sphere of contemporary life has had profound implications for how people learn in school, solve practical problems, and functions in the workplace. So, networked computing and communication technologies and media have become essential tools of practically every profession and trade, including those of lawyers, doctors, artists, historians, electricians, mechanics, and salespersons. For each and every one, this information and communication technology is very, very important. Students should be aware of these devices and know how and when to use them. They must have mastered a wide range of ICT tools in common use. ICT in the sense communication technology, information and communication technology. And they must have the confidence and capability to learn to use new ICT tools. Information and communication technology. ICT means information and communication technology. And there are various tools as they become available. The students should know how to use it and when to use it. Although students are not expected to understand the inner working of these devices, they should have enough understanding the principles and the basics of how they work. And if you see the basics of internet, intranet, email, audio and video conferencing, how we have to do it, everything we can see in this part. First one, basic of internet, networking, hosting, URL, IP, LAN, MAN, WAN, CAN. What are these things? Also we are going to see in this video. And intranet, Ethernet, IP sharing networking, cloud computing, SaaS, that is software as a service, LaaS, infrastructure as a service, PaaS, platform as a service. And email, how to send the email, how to compose mail, everything we can see in this. How to receive it and mailing system, email providers, email terminology, everything we can see in this video. Audio and video conferencing, brands used in audio video conferencing, methods and ways of audio video conferencing, and online classes, technical terms, everything we can see in this video. Information and communication technology, in that now we are going to see Ethernet. What do you mean by Ethernet? Ethernet is a family of wired computer networking technologies commonly used in local area networks, that is LAN. LAN in the sense local area network, and can also use in metropolitan area networks, that is called MAN. Okay, MAN is the abbreviation, metropolitan area networks. Then wide area networks, WAN, wide area network. Okay, now systems communicating over Ethernet divide a stream of data into shorter pieces called frames. I hope you could have understand what is Ethernet. Now, difference between search engine and web browser. First of all, let us see what is search engine. Search engine is nothing but you can search the various information on the internet by using the search engine. It's a software program that searches for websites based on keywords that the user types in. It then goes through their databases of information in order to locate the information you are looking for. So this is what search engine. I hope you could have understand. Now, names of search engine. First one, Google, that we are using daily, Bing, Yahoo, Baidu, DuckDuckGo, Search Encrypt, Yandex, Start Page. These are few of the search engine. Then, now we are going to see what is web browser. A web browser allows people to access, retrieve and view information on the internet. The user can fill in the address of the website or web page to visit that page. This is called web browser. Now, these are some names of web browser. The first one is Google Chrome. Almost maximum number of people are using this one. The next one is Internet Explorer. This also, next to Google, most of the people are using this one. Then Opera, Safari, Tor, Edge, SlimJet browser, UG browser, Netscape, Maxton, SeaMonkey, Vivaldi, Chromium. All these are names of web browser. So keep in mind carefully to attend the answers for UGC NET exam. So keep this in your mind. These are some of the web browser in information and communication technology. Now, let us see about the list of important ICT computer acronyms. ICT in the sense information and communication technology. Okay, information and communication technology. So, in this first one is BIOS, the basic input and output system that controls the computer. It tells us about the operation to be performed on the system. The instructions are embedded on the chip connected to the motherboard. I hope you understood what is BIOS. Now, byte. Byte is known as the storage unit of data. This everybody knows. But even then you have to have in your mind what is byte. It is a storage unit of data. Then CPU. CPU is the brain of a computer. It is also known as the central processing unit of the computer. That is the expansion of CPU, central processing unit of the computer. It is compared to the brain of a computer. Mac, the common abbreviation used for a type of personal computer. Macintosh, made by the Apple Computer Company. You might have seen that. It is MacBook we used to say. That is this one. OS. OS is the operating system of the computer. It is the main program that runs on the computer and begins automatically when the computer is turned on. See, if you switch on the computer, automatically it runs and all the icons will be seen on the Windows. So that is the OS. Everything is, it is already loaded. And whenever we open the computer, all the system will be open. And PC, the personal computer is given the common abbreviation named PC, personal computer. Now, what is PDF? When the file is to be stored in the portable document format, the term PDF is used. PDF means portable document format. Then RAM. What is RAM? The space that can be accessed only one time is known as random access memory. RAM means random access memory. See, the working speed of the computer system depends on the RAM. So, if you want to speed up your computer, you have to check your RAM. Okay, if you want to have a greater speed, you have to look after the RAM. And ROM, the instructions for the computer is the ROM, or read only memory. ROM is non-volatile and cannot be altered. See, this ROM we cannot alter it; it is fixed. Once the instructions for the computer in ROM or read-only memory, we cannot change it. Whereas here, if your computer is slow, then you can check your RAM and make it the computer do very fast. Then VGA, the system that is used for displaying the graphics is known as Video Graphics Array, or VGA. It was developed by IBM. Next one, WYSIWYG. It is commonly known as WYSIWYG, which means what you see is what you get. What you see is what you get in WYSIWYG. The basic meaning of this abbreviation is printer will print what you see on your monitor. So keep this in your mind: PDF, RAM, ROM, VGA and WYSIWYG. See, now we are going to see about some abbreviation as well as the full form of ICT abbreviation. ICT in the sense information and communication technology. AGP, accelerated graphic port. Accelerated graphic port, PC. This already we have seen, personal computer. Then EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory. EPROM. Okay. Then BIOS, this already we have seen, basic input and output system. HDD, hard disk drive. Hard disk drive. Next one, PCI, peripheral component internet. UNIVAC, universal automatic computer. GUI, graphic user interface. USB, universal serial board. VGA, visual graphic adapter. MAN, metropolitan area network. ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Now 13th one, WAN, wide area network. Wide area network. EBC DIC, extended binary coded decimal interchange code. LAN, local area network. EEPROM, electrical erasable. Alterable programmed read-only memory. CPU, central processing unit. OS, operating system. Now ALU, arithmetic and logical unit. DVD, digital versatile disk. CD, compact disk. ROM, read-only memory. VDU, visual display unit. RAM, random access memory. ICT, information communication technology. ICT means information communication technology. PROM, programmable read-only memory. URL, universal resource locator. IDE, integrated drive electronics. Fortran, formula translator. MOS, metal oxide semiconductor. ATX, advanced technology extended. SIM, subscriber identification module. See what we are using in the mobile, SIM. This is the expansion, subscriber identification module. Now MHZ, megahertz. ISP, internet service provider. Internet service provider. ISP. GHZ, gigahertz. Gigahertz, DBMS, Database Management System. SQL, Structured Query Language. RW, Rewritable. Now, SGT, Serial Query Language. CAN, Campus Area Network. These are all very important, so just put in your mind CAN, Campus Area Network. SIMS, Single Inline Memory Module. PAN, Personal Area Network. DIMS, Dual Inline Memory Module. CMOS, Complementary Metal Oxide Semiconductor. ENIAC, Electronic Number Indicator and Calculator. CMD, Command. EDSAC, Electronic Dialogue Storage Automatic Computer. MAC, Media Access Control. IC, Integrated Circuit. LSIC, Large Scale Integrated Circuit. DIR, Directory. GIGO, Garbage in, Garbage out. Garbage in and garbage out. PHP, Hypertext Preprocessor. DOC, Document. Then PDT, Parallel Data Transmission. PDA, Personal Digital Assistance. USSD, Unstructured Supplementary Service Data. WWW, World Wide Web. COBAL, Common Basic Oriented Language. CCNP, Cisco Certified Network Professionals. Basic, Beginner, All-Purpose, Symbolic Instruction Code. Next, CEH, Certified Ethical Hacking. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. CSS, Cascading Style Sheet. Cisco, Computer Information System Company. XX, yes, Cross-Site Scripting. XML, Extensible Markup Language. Extensible Markup Language, XML. Next, HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. RFI, Remote File Inclusion. HTTP, Hypertext Markup Language. DDoS, Distribution Denial of Service. VPN, Virtual Private Network. SEO, Search Engine Optimization. IP, Internet Protocol. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Share this video to your friends. Let them also get all those necessary points and let them come out from the UGC NET exam. Thank you. Thank you so much.